Hi everyone, welcome back. This week we're going to talk about building working bass lines on rhythm changes. Rhythm changes are any tune that are based on the set of changes of the George Gershwin tune I Got Rhythm. As opposed to the tunes we've been working on the last few weeks, this one has a harmonic rhythm of 2 chords per bar, as opposed to 1 chord per bar, like we did the blues and autumn leaves. First, let's have a look at the harmony of the tune. So we are in the key of B flat. B flat is the most common key to play rhythm changes. So let's have a look. It starts on B flat, so the 1 chord, and then we're going to the 6 dominant, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, and then we have this 2, 5 or 4. So F minor 7, B flat 7, and a 4 dominant. Flat 7 dominant, 3, 6, 2, 5. So that's the first 8 bars. Let's look at the next 8 bars. We still have 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5. Again, 2, 5 or 4, 4, flat 7, 2, 5, 1. For the B section, there's 2 ways of playing the B section, well, at least 2 common ways of playing the B section. You either play 3, 6, 2, 5, 2 bars each. So it means 2 bars of D7, 2 bars of G7, 2 bars of C7, and 2 bars of F7. We're going to add the 2 before the 5 on this version. So instead of playing just D7, G7, C7, F7, we're going to add the 2 before. We're going to play A minor 7 to D7, D minor 7 to G7, G minor 7 to C7, and C minor 7 to F7. So A minor, D7, D minor 7, G7, G minor 7, C7, C minor 7, F7. And then we're on to the last section of the tune, last 8 bars, and it's again 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 2, 5 or 4, 4, flat 7, 2, 5, 1. Now we are going to add some diatonic approach notes. Diatonic approach notes are the next notes available in the diatonic scale. So in this case, we are in the key of B flat, the scale of B flat major. To go from a B flat to a G, what's the nearest available diatonic note is F. B flat, F, G. So we're going to use this next available diatonic note for the first 8 bars. Good. So you will notice that on the F minor chord, I played A flat. A flat is not part of the B flat major scale, but you have to imagine we are in the key of E flat now because it's a 2-5-1 going to E flat. So you have to use the notes of the E flat diatonic scale, which is with A flat in it. So to go from F minor to B flat, the next diatonic note in the E flat major scale will be A flat. I'm going to play the next 8 bars now, but I'm going to add some chromatic approach notes and we're going to mix them up. So chromatic approach note to C. chromatic approach notes to C. Before we carry on onto the B section, I would like you to listen to how different the chromatic approach notes sound from the diatonic approach note in a bass line. So I'm going to play the first 4 bars again, this time only using chromatic approach notes. Can you hear the different effect, different sound? And really you want them both in your playing, so you should practice both and then mix them up. Onto the B section of the tune now. So this B section of the tune is a succession of 2-5 progression. We're going to use the scale patterns as we've seen last week in part 3 of this course. Here is how that sounds. And for the last 8 bars, we're going to play diatonic approaches again. Okay, so now let's hear how that sounds over a play-along track, the whole thing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. You can download the PDF as well as the play-along track on my website. There will be a link in the description. See you next week.